Today I will talk about causal impact on time series. This is one of my series of lectures on cause and effect modeling. First I will give introduction, then I will describe Python codes of analysis of causal impact on time series. My lecture is based on this article on Medium. The causal impact analysis has two assumptions. There is one or more control time series that are highly correlated with the response variable but not impacted by the intervention. So there is a control element should be there. The correlation between the control and the response time series is the same for pre and post intervention. So these two assumptions should be met. Violation of these assumptions can result in wrong conclusions about the existence, the direction, and the magnitude of the treatment effect. Causal impact package created by Google estimates the impact of an intervention on time series. For example, how does a new advertisement effort affect the sales of a product? At the back end, there is Bayesian structural time series model. With the help of BSTS, causal impact package works. Python code. These are the libraries for dataset. This is the library for creation of time series. This is a library for plotting, and this is a library for causal impact analysis. So first of all, we generate a time series data. We generate two variables, variable X and Y. Variable X is control and variable Y is response. And we set an intervention point, and after that intervention point, there is alteration of the response variable Y. So this is the graphical representation of our data. The blue curve is the control time series, whereas the magenta curve is response time series. So after this impact point, which is shown in a red line in the year 2021, month 11, there is an impact of the intervention on the response time series. So this is the code for impact analysis. First of all, we assess the mean of time series before intervention and mean of time series after intervention. So before intervention, it was minus 1.6 and after intervention, it was 50. So there was a gap of 51.7 points. This is the impact analysis using the package causal impact. We run the package and we plot. So we get this plot, which is the analysis of the impact of a cause on response time series. This is the summary. So this is the actual response variable, that is 50. This is the predicted, that is 39. The absolute effect is 10. The relative effect is 25.7%, and the p-value is significant. This is the inference, and this is the summary report. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.